Safety considerations. Prep of the lathe for cutting an ERGO button. That's a nice light, see? It provides a beautifully diffuse, non-directional light that lights up the whole workspace absolutely perfectly, so I can see, you know, what am I doing? And again, this is 1946, South Bend lathe. A guy who had it before me used it to make gun barrels. Safety considerations. Normally you would wear safety glasses with this operation. Not necessarily so key in this particular instance because of the nature of the cutting going on, but that's a good idea. You want to have your clothing rather tight to your body, and you want to be in a relaxed mood. You don't want to do this if you feel rushed or you feel hurried or you're in a bad mood or your body hurts, or you don't want to use this kind of machine in that instance. And, you know, I'll wear gloves to protect my hands from the oil. And make sure your space is open enough where you can walk around. You know, you got to be able to walk around and stuff like that. And so you want an uncluttered space. This is about as uncluttered as I can make it. And I'll go over to how to control the machine in the next video. But my next video is going to be preparing the machine for the cut by lubricating it. You kind of run the machine unless it has been manually lubricated.